Hi, we're Kathy and Garrett from the Grit and Polish. If you follow us on Instagram, you know exactly where we are sitting. This patio space has really dominated our lives for about 4 weeks, and we are thrilled to be sharing it with you.
Yeah, we're super excited because we have been wanting an outdoor space here at this house since we moved in, basically.
3 years.
I mean, it has the nice front porch, which is really kind of picturesque. It's inviting, it's classic for the house, but there was really no other space outside that was set up to just hang out, have a meal, you know, gather with friends. And so we literally just put our table in the middle of our yard, and that's what we've been using for the last couple years.
Yeah, so now we finally have a space to entertain and for us to enjoy and to enjoy with family and friends.
Yeah, we put this patio in the garden area, and I was kind of a little bit skeptical on actually doing like a hangout space in the garden, but kind of here on the edge where it's between the two fruit trees, it's a little bit of a perfect spot for the setup that we have.
Yeah, and one of the reasons I wanted to have a hangout space in our garden was because then I knew we'd spend a lot of time in here, and if we spend a lot of time in here, we're going to garden.
So we went with a large patio paver. It's a large format concrete patio paver. It's really simple. It laid down real nice, and it didn't take a ton of time to get the pavers in place. We have big spacing with gravel. So,
yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
What do you think about our garden? Anytime that you're considering an outdoor space, one huge component is obviously what you put there, the furniture that you have to use. And we got this San Mateo patio set from the company store, and it's really fabulous. It's a really well-made furniture. It goes together really easily, and it looks really nice out here.
Yeah, it's super high quality too. It's made out of teak, so it looks rich, it's heavy.
And teak is super durable for the outdoors. It's like a really made to just weather and be wet and dry, and it's really awesome.
Yeah, it should be pretty low maintenance out here. Like everything, you know, we're just trying to keep this space low maintenance, so this furniture fits right in with that. So the kids love this furniture. You know, we're already having to like readjust the pads because they have been all over this thing. Last night they were literally jumping across, flying back and forth. So everyone is thrilled with how fun this space is. You know, I love the color of the San Mateo set. The gray pads with the warm teak wood is just kind of a really nice natural look, and it fit this space perfectly. Basically we have gray gravel and wood everywhere, so it's kind of a nice,
green.
Yeah, and obviously a ton of greenery. And you know, I think in a garden space you really want what you're growing to be the focal point. Okay, you go do that. So we designed our patio to fit in between the fruit trees, and the nice thing about this San Mateo collection is that it's really modular, so you can pick different love seats, corner chairs, armless chairs to fit your space. So we went with 2 love seats and 2 corners to get this kind of sectional, and then we also have 2 floating chairs.
The layout that we have for our San Mateo collection is perfect for a lot of people to hang out in this space on the patio. We can't wait to have our first garden party and just get a bunch of people in here. It'll be really comfortable in a really nice setting. String lights, it's gonna be so fun. Yeah,
we always have a bunch of people come in for the end of school, and then again at Labor Day, we have like 4 different families come over. So I think this is gonna be perfect for just a ton of adults, a ton of kids, just everyone.
We'll be sharing the rest of the garden area with you as soon as we get it done. We're working.
It's almost done, I swear. We're like 90% of the way there, really.